us today. We really appreciate it. What we'd like to do is talk to you about our conference that we'll be offering on May 20th through the 22nd in Boca Raton, Florida in the United States. This program is for those people who have completed our OD certification program, our online OD certification program, or for those who are advanced in the field of organization development and would like to earn a certification as an OD consultant. So we're going to tell you a little bit about our program today. So this is going to be a 3-day event. We offer this annually in Boca Raton. We also offer it in Africa and India as well. And basically what we are going to be it's almost like an assessment center. You'll be working on a variety of case studies and activities to demonstrate your knowledge of the action research model using, we call it ARM. And that's what we teach in our online program. You'll also be demonstrating other OD practices to show us how you would interact with clients and to help them solve their variety of business challenges. So it's a very hands-on application approach conference. We'll also have a variety of highly experienced OD professionals attending the program to interact with you, answer your questions, and to be part of our wonderful, wonderful event. You'll also gain a lot of experience learning how to prepare and facilitate a variety of meetings that we are involved in when working with our clients. We'll be able to, give you tools that will help you. We'll talk about working in teams and some skills that are needed from the OD consultant when working in teams, and a variety of other activities that we have planned for you, such as more experience in human interaction borrowed from NTL, dialoguing, the power of dialoguing, working in T groups, also the World Cafe method, and appreciative inquiry are just some of the things that you'll experience during this program. So what we want here are for people to advance to the level as a consultant. In order to do that, you need to have a lot of client interaction. So through our 3-day program, we hope to provide you with some more experience so you feel more comfortable in the role of a consultant. We also want you to understand the importance that you play as the consultant. And we almost have to take on a multiple perspective. In terms of how we work with the client, we need to make sure that we are in a very helpful, considerate, respectful, open mode to be mindful of their world and not imply our world. So we're working on several levels with the client. We're working to help them solve their immediate problem. We also want to help them change their culture. We want them to grow as leaders, to become more effective as team members, and also to build their their skills as well. So we have a multiple level of roles here. We have to have a lot of insight, be able to be good observers, and to, at the same time, provide tools just in time to help them work on their challenges. We're also involved in facilitation, as I mentioned before, and so in addition to helping the client to develop, to be able to almost become their own OD practitioner, we are also skillfully facilitating a variety of meetings and helping the client and their team to come to agreement through a variety of group discussions and collaborative brainstorming sessions. So a lot is going on in your world, and it's important for us to be able to understand and self-assess what we're doing and how effectively we're helping the client, and then to continue to build on our own self-development. We also are often called upon to use our conflict resolution skills in organizations. This is another critical part. We're here to seek agreement, to encourage others to participate, to give their feedback and buy-in without without fear. And so we have to be very skillful in the area of conflict resolution. In addition to that, in terms of contract and negotiation skills, we're ongoing. We are using our contracting skills and negotiation skills to work with the client to help them meet their needs, as well as to implement a sustainable process. We're also going to talk about how, in addition to developing yourself to this advanced level of being a consultant, how do we build your professional practice and business? And then we'll talk about how to implement team interventions to overcome resistance to change, which is really critical in the field of OD and one of the most important aspects of organization development. In addition to how do we help the client and the organization align values to deal with culture change.